Is it recording? Hello, everyone. This is Invasive Pythons in the Everglades by Piontek, Michael Swenson, Jack Bourque. Creating a solution. Introduction to the issue. So, there's invasive pythons in the Everglades. The reason this is wrong is they compete with native wildlife for food. They have no natural predators in this ecosystem, and they have been linked to a decline in mammal population in the Everglades. Introduction to the solution: capture and kill. This is the main way people have been dealing with it. They use air guns and captive bolts to kill these pythons. They can be hunted at any time of day, like day and night, all day around. And there's unlimited humane killings of pythons. And so the way these pythons are killed, it's a very humane way. They are like the people are required to not like make the python lose consciousness by using the air guns or the captive bolts to like mess up its brain, because they have a link where you see where the brain is, and they have to knock it unconscious before they kill it.
So we are evaluating the solution of the capture and kill of pythons. The weaknesses are camouflage. Pythons blend into the environment, which makes it hard for hunters to capture and kill them because they're camouflage, and high numbers. Populations of pythons are very large, especially in the Everglades. Female pythons breed very fast. They lay dozens of eggs every year, so annually. And difficult terrain. Everglades are large and difficult to navigate, full of tall grass and water. So in the Everglades, there are very tall grass and crocodiles, and it's hard to navigate because you need a boat, and you can't really go through the grass to locate the pythons. Um, Other risks: removing pythons could mess up the ecosystem balance. So pythons usually eat other animals and other like plants, which this could offset the balance. Evaluating the solution, the strengths of the capture and kill of the pythons. Population control. This will directly reduce the number of invasive pythons and protects native species, helps protect the endangered animals from danger. So basically, any predatory animals by the python will be removed from danger. Community involvement includes local hunters and raises awareness of the issue. This will get local hunters involved and raise the ecosystem awareness. Prevents spread, reduces the risks of pythons spreading to new areas by just directly reducing the number. And research capture pythons can provide data for understanding their ecosystem effects. This can help with new data.
Hello, this is exploring the solution of pythons in the Everglades being an invasive species. And to start off, this leads with ethical debates, just wondering if killing and basically wiping out this species is morally okay. Potential pushback, like lashback relating to those ethical debates, like, is this okay? Should we be killing some of God's creation, even if it's an invasive species? There is also possible destruction of habitat or other plants, like the invasive species pythons. They are usually camouflaged, so maybe getting to them might cause destruction, like destroying some plants, and that can lead to damaging the ecosystem, especially when it's delicate as the Everglades. This might also have a negative effect on native species, just like plants. It could also happen with animals, and yeah, essentially the the outside effects of killing pythons might lead to other negative effects. Some limitations: this is likely to create a biased population size. Like if you're killing these, it's essentially throwing off the food chain in the Everglades because pythons are so invasive that they have thrown off the food chain. So this might be a very negative effect on that. There's possibly ineffective with camouflage species such as a python. Like pythons are easily blendable in the ecosystem, especially at night, because of their skin tone matching with grass and other foliage. There's, like I said earlier, more moral and ethical ambiguity, like just a limitation of someone wondering if they can kill something like this. It's really something to think about before you do that. And there's no method of real eradication, just containment. So essentially, you're never really going to kill all of the pythons in the Everglades. You're just going to limit the amount of them in there that are causing a negative effect on the ecosystem.
Hello, everyone. Now, for our last part, it's the conclusion. So, a couple of our main points here. There's many moral dilemmas involved, mainly like overkilling. That's a big one. Next, it doesn't fully eradicate the species or get rid of it. It only limits the population. Um, it's a great way for the community to take care of their environment and something people care about, to organize something for them to show that they care about their surroundings. And as of now, it's the current best way to solve this issue because there really just isn't another way right now. So this will have to do. And here are our sources. Thank you.